one or two only. So we are doing more practice questions. Okay. So take out your notebook. Anna, you are joining now. Take out your notebook. We are Kashvi, Kavisha, Dhwani, Tej Kumar, Rajvi, Nikhare. Please turn on your camera. Rishik, turn on your camera.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
No, my voice is enough good now. Yes? Manya is coming
Yes,
properly?
ma'am.
Any
Yes, ma'am.
difficulty in my voice?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I am going to present you my video. So let's start the class now. I will present my screen and show you the story
Ma'am,
problems based on division. And we will discuss them.
ma'am, your voice is coming
Am I
very
audible?
slow. Ma'am, your voice is cutting. Ma'am, your voice is cutting and it's coming. Ma'am, your voice is
Rishik, am I
cutting.
audible?
Ma'am, you are stuck. No, ma'am, your voice is. Ma'am, you are audible, but your voice is cracking.
Now,
Ma'am, your voice is clear, but it is coming
no
slow.
problem. I will not speak now. I am going to present the screen and that I will explain related with that.
Yes, ma'am, now it's coming perfect.
The question number one. On one shelf in the library, if 50 can be kept, how many shelves are needed? For 700. So who can be
Hello,
operated
ma'am, we
with
have to write
700
this.
shelves?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Ma'am, your
What,
voice
ma'am?
is not clear.
Can we be
Ma'am,
honest?
your voice is echoing. No, ma'am, your voice is not echoing. It
I
is
hope
very
I am audible
fast.
to the online students, not
Yes.
responding at all.
Ma'am, your voice is clear. No, ma'am.
Voice
Your
is
voice
not
is
coming,
very
Tejkumar.
slow. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. We have to write this. You are stuck. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, speak something. Hello, ma'am. We have to write this. Hello, ma'am. We have to write this. Ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, we have to write this. Rajveer. You don't have to write this now. Wait for the instruction that ma'am will do. Ma'am, your microphone is off. Ma'am, your microphone is off. And your screen is stucking also. Ma'am? 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 Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is... Your microphone is off.
Okay, now please speak.
Ma'am,
Okay,
your
now.
microphone is off.
Yes, ma'am, we can
Thank
hear
you.
you now.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Sorry, students.
Hello, ma'am. We have to write. Ma'am, you were saying about the statements. We have to write like this.
I will check it out. Sorry for the inconvenience, students. So again, let's begin the class. Moksh is showing something. Yes, Moksh, please show. Then I will present my screen. Yeah, this way you need to write the statements also. Very good. Wait a minute, I'll ask. You write it in your notebook, then I will ask from you. No, it's done. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to write our own songs.
Yeah, you need to write your own. I will also discuss with you. Okay, and don't think why it is not matching with the ma'am's statement. If you have written all the information which you require, then your statement is good, right? Okay. So here the question is on one shelf. Don't write the question. Please write the solution first. On one shelf in the library, there are 15 books can be kept. How many shelves are needed for 755 books? So we write that first we write the number of shelves. So how many number of shelves are here? 15. And what are the total books?
750.
755. 755 divided by 15. You have to write the statement and it's compulsory for each and every word problem or the story problem. Huh? Done? Don't write. If you have written the question, it's okay. But only solution I will not accept. You need to write the statement, then the solution.
Ma'am,
Yes, please.
ma'am, do we have to write this in notebook?
Which child is asking?
Mantra.
Yes, Mantra, you need to write in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Divide this and give me the answer. Tell me. And what about the remainder? That they don't need shelf. Unko bahar rakh doge aap. The remainder also will need a shelf, no? 5 books is the remainder. So 5 books also will need a one shelf, no extra. So 50 shelves plus one more shelf for the remainder ones. Right? Suppose if I give you one children, see, online students, see, this will be the day, like you need to divide like this. So the question is 50 and the remainder is 5. But when you are arranging the books in the shelf, 755 books you are arranging in the shelf, you need the shelf for them. So 50 shelves are complete shelves. You will need one more shelf for the 5 books are remaining. So you will need total how many? 51. So on the basis of the same concept, I want to ask from the online and the offline students one question. So suppose you have 14 apples. Are you able to hear me, the online students?
Yes, ma'am.
You have 14 apples. You want to arrange them in the baskets. And in each basket, you are putting only 3 apples. So how many baskets are required? 14 apples. You are arranging them in the baskets. 3 apples in one basket. So you require how many baskets?
4. Ma'am, 4.
So that too you will get outside the baskets. You are arranging in the basket. Suppose your mama told, arrange them in the basket. Am I clear with the online students? I have not
Yes,
received
ma'am.
any answer from the online students. Tell me how many baskets you need.
4.
4 baskets only. But what about the two apples? उनको basket में नहीं रखोगे, बाहर रख दोगे?
No.
Mama तो told you to arrange them in the baskets. You need? Yes, Rishik Bajaj. Any query? You need 5
No.
baskets.
No, ma'am. I pressed by mistake.
Okay. Can I scroll
So
for
we
the next
need
question?
5 baskets. No, ma'am.
You have to do with the 0 1 only.
Excuse me, Reno, ma'am. Reno, ma'am.
Yes, please speak.
Ma'am, Manya.
Yeah, please
Ma'am,
speak.
in the presentation,
Hmm.
the division method
Hmm.
is the quotient is coming 50
Yes.
and I have done like this.
Wait, I will pin you and then only able to see. Huh.
Then we can write
You do in the with the 0 method only. Yes.
Ma'am, we can write our own sum. Ma'am,
Right.
it is the quotient is coming 50.
5 only. Okay. See, when you bring down the 5 down, Manya, listen it very, very carefully. This is important point. When 5 you are bringing it down. That's the reason we have learned the 0 method from the beginning. Now you have only 5 books and you need to arrange them in the 15. Will it be possible for you? Manya?
No, ma'am.
So what you will do in this case? Put the 0 there.
Ma'am,
Put
I
the
didn't
0
get.
there. And it will be, remainder will be 5. That's the reason from the beginning we are learning the concept of 0, right?
Yes, ma'am, but I didn't understand what you are saying.
Okay. Let me explain. I will explain to the offline students after a minute. After a minute, let me explain to the child. Let me give me 1 minute. Okay. So Manya, just see your page. Everyone, please, online students, pay attention here. What she is discussing is very, very important for everyone. Just hold your book. She said that, ma'am, 15, there were 755 books, right? And number of bookshelf, wait a minute, the question was 15 books will be kept in the one shelf. So now, first what you will do, you will arrange 7 books will not be arranged in a 15, right? Because there are 15 books you need to arrange in a one shelf. So what we will do, 15 zeros are 0. 7 will come down. Now the 5 will come down and it will become 75. And in the table of 75, 5s are 15 5s are
75.
Now what will happen? She subtracted and the 0 has come and now she brought down the 5 down. Which 5 is not possible to arrange in the 15. So what you will, so 0 will go in the quotient and 0 will come in the down also. So 5 minus 0 you will do will be the remainder 5 only. Manya, understood?
Ma'am, we have to again take 0 like after 5 subtracted by 0.
In the question after 5, take 0. Because it's not possible you to divide ना. आप 5 को divide नहीं कर सकते ना. 5 as a dividend and the 15.
Ma'am, like this.
Let me pin you. Wait.
Ma'am, like
Anay has directly done. In the beginning, he has not done the 0, but afterwards he put the 0. Bring the 5 down. Anay, bring the 5 down. Don't write 3 zeros together down. Okay, Manya, you understood now? You will be tired. Please put it down.
I got it. Can you show the? It is okay.
Vihan, let me talk with Manya first. Anay, wait. Manya, put it down. You will be tired. Keep holding this book.
Ma'am, we have to write 15 zeros and 0. Again 0 down.
Again 0 down.
And
Then
5
subtract.
subtracted by 0 is equal to 5. Like
5
that.
only. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
This is the reason
That's
we are
why the
doing the
quotient
0
comes
from the beginning. कि अगर
That's why
नहीं
the
जाता है,
quotient comes 15.
that's the reason the question is coming 50.
Thank you, ma'am.
क्योंकि शुरू से हम यही करते आ रहे हैं ना. That's the reason I taught you the 0 concept. कि अगर वो middle में भी आ जाता है, because 755 books are arranged in the 15, so you will only
Excuse me, ma'am.
5 shelves. No, na? Manya, think logic.
Yes.
755 books are there, and in one shelf you are keeping 15 only. तो 5 shelves में तो 755 नहीं आएंगे ना.
No, ma'am.
तो वहीं पे आप अपनी गलती पकड़ सकते हो कि
Okay,
मैंने
ma'am.
कहीं तो गलत किया है. राइट?
Okay.
Yes, Arnav, show me. I will come.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, but we have to take the first 0 also, na? In 0 method, we did the 0 first. That's we
First
have
also
to.
0 and 15 zeros are 0 will come down, then subtract,
Okay, ma'am. I understood.
and then
Thank you.
remainder 5.
Ma'am, can you scroll the screen?
Okay. Now see here again. Can I move to the next question?
No, ma'am.
Not done. Who is saying me something? One child is telling me something. Yes, Kavisha, let me pin you.
Ma'am, it is like this.
Yes, see, Manya, the way Kavisha has done, no? In the beginning, she has not taken 0. She has taken 2 digits together. That is also right, as I told you. But keep a habit of taking the 0 in the beginning if the dividend first number is less than the divisor.
Okay, ma'am. I have written like this. It is okay.
Go. Arnav, please check now.
Ma'am, can you show your screen? I am left with them. Ma'am, it is right, ma'am.
Offline students. Offline students. Hare, I want you to sit at your place. Done, offline students. Everyone completed this question.
Yes, ma'am.
I am scrolling it now.
Yes, ma'am.
Just listen this. Okay, don't write. Listen this, understand this. We'll give you enough time. If it is not completing in this period, no problem. We'll complete in the next period. But try to understand the question and try to understand the concept. Am I clear to the online students also?
Yes.
Don't worry about the writing part. Pen, pencil down. Listen this question very, very carefully. The question is 3,825 centimeter of a ribbon. You have a long ribbon and the length is 3,825 centimeter. And you need to cut that ribbon into the pieces. And you need to cut them into the, wait, I'll show you. And now you are going to cut this ribbon, the long ribbon, into the pieces. And each piece will be of 35 centimeter. So you have to tell me how many pieces of ribbon you will cut and how many will be remainder. So I am, first of all, now, online and offline student, don't copy the question. Only write, I'm telling you, I am dictating you, write dividend, D-I-V-I-D-I-E-N-D. So in this question, what is the dividend, students?
300.
Ma'am, 3,825.
Yes.
And
So
the
right dividend
divisor
equals
is
to
35.
3,825 centimeter. Right, 3,825 centimeter is a dividend. Write the divisor. What is the divisor in this question?
35. 35.
So write divisor equals to 35 centimeter. What will be the first statement? Look into this. Yes, Pritika. Length of a ribbon. Can you all write length of a ribbon? What is the length of a ribbon? 35 hai. Where is the 35 here?
Ma'am, 3,820.
35 are the number of the pieces you are cutting.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to write?
What is the total length of a ribbon?
3,825.
In this way you need to write. The way it is showing on the screen. Length of a ribbon 3,825 centimeter. Length of each ribbon is 35 centimeter. How many pieces you are going to cut? Number of the pieces of the ribbon. Divide and find out. And in this, some part will be remainder also. So there will be the fourth statement also that the ribbon left. So please start dividing.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
please
couldn't
speak.
understand. It is saying length of each ribbon piece.
Means from the big ribbon, the length of each, now you are cutting into the parts.
Ma'am.
It's written no, cut into pieces. Moksha, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose if I give you a ribbon of 10 centimeter and I am telling you cut the small pieces of 2 centimeters. So how many pieces you will cut from the 10 centimeter length?
5.
Yes,
Five.
same way. Only the numbers are big.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So now when you divide this 3,825 by 35, you need to divide in this way. I am going to present the screen for you. So in this, something will be left over also. So you can say 109 ribbon pieces can be cut and 10 centimeter ribbon will be left. Why I am not using the centimeter or the meter unit in the beginning, the first number? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, because it is not the length of we have cut length. It is the
Yes. It is asking the number of the pieces, how many you will cut. That's the reason I have not used the any unit along with the number. Am I clear? These are the number of pieces. 109 ribbon pieces will be cut and the remaining will be the length of the ribbon which is left. That's why the unit is used. Clear with everyone? In case you able to complete within a time period, very good, excellent. In case if you're not able to complete it, don't worry. We'll present you in the next day also. But try to complete. Don't waste your time. Yes, the complete, it is showing on the screen.
Ma'am, we have to write that 109 pieces.
Complete what is showing here on the screen. That 109 ribbon pieces can be cut and 10 centimeter ribbon will be left. Because they want the complete answer from you. We'll check after this. This line also you need to write the last line. Give me.
Hello, ma'am.
Online students completed.
No.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, now take a screenshot or I will send you the video in the classroom.
Ma'am, I am in the answer 2 minutes only.
Those who have completed the offline students can silently make the line outside. They please stay and complete.
Ma'am, done. Excuse me, ma'am, my done. Like this, I have.
Those who have done, they can leave the class.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Done, Manya?
Bye, ma'am.
No, ma'am. My little bit is only. Done, ma'am.
Complete. Give me 1 minute.
Bye, ma'am. I complete one.